Hi, Merry Christmas. It's just me again with one of my silly little videos. But I wanted you to know that up until yesterday, we were still working in the shop producing new pieces. And in case you're anxious about centerpieces and things, we've got some pretty things that might help your table decor. So I just wanted to show you the little vases. They come with lights, and after Christmas you can take that away and put flowers in. These are little centerpieces we just did yesterday, little wreaths with a battery candle. I love this one, the silver with this gorgeous deep burgundy red, holiday red ribbon. Oh yes, and in case you need, we have mistletoe, and perfect to hang over a doorway. You never know where that can go. And then we did some sleighs, had so much fun. This little guy is going up the ladder, and I don't know, there's some vintage red there. Not sure he should be on a ladder. And this little guy is playing his drum. He's all ready for the Santa Claus parade. And I don't know, we seem to have a drinking theme going on here because this guy is into his gin. But we'll leave that and not go drinking on the ski hill. But this is one of our sleighs that we just finished yesterday. It's so much fun. And the skiers are in their sleigh with their bells on their way to the hill. We also have some really fun cocktail napkins if you're having a little get together. Stocking stuffers, the little containers of hot chocolate, and we also have smaller ones are fun. These are the smaller ones. And a stocking stuffer, the Innis is always a great stocking stuffer, inexpensive. The shop is still fully stocked with all kinds of possibilities. So, and you know, as I always say, come visit us. You don't have to buy anything, but we always are glad to see you. We're 2 weeks till the big day, so I know time is a-wasting. Take care, and I'm sure you'll hear from me again before Christmas. Oh, and we're also very blessed just to tell you that all of our Megan's Fairies have sold. They're all gone, and we are very thankful. Denise was here this week. There'll be more coming, some information from her, and thought you might like to know that. Anyway, take care. Maybe see you on the weekend. Love ya. Bye.